Morning guys, today is Saturday and it's the 7th of September, believe it or not, already.
It's time for Christmas tree.
Decorations. Well, maybe that's something we need to find
Later.
sometime, isn't it? Anyway, we're off for a drive today. The sun's out.
Yep, it's a very good day.
Yeah. And Eileen's going to get some more hours up for her licence, so we're going to head through the Launceston, which takes about an hour and a half drive. Spend the day having a bit of a wander around, do a couple of things, and yeah, see what the day brings.
The big takeover.
Yeah. Alright guys, we'll catch up with you a bit later once we're on the road. Bye.
That's not that far from Cape Town. Hey guys. Iba na ang suot ko guys. Ang ganda ng mga flowers nila. Pretty. Kami dito guys. Punta kami dito sa living room. Hanap kami ng maliit. Ganyan oh. It's something like this babe. That's very pretty babe. I like it. I think this one is naghanap kami ng upuan guys. Ang mga display nila dito guys. Cute. I like that the color has a timber down there.
Yeah.
There's a white here. It's more expensive this one. Ang ganda guys. Naghahanap kami ng parang ano lang siya. Ganyan. Here guys. Oh. I like that in the when you go inside our house. Set up. Ang dami nilang display. Bitchy Craig na malaking. Let's put that in the car, my love. The bag. Ang ganda ng mga design nila dito guys. Oh, I like this. This one, babe. Oh, so pretty. Craig's ano guys, looking. No. Bye. Katao-tao dito.
Oh.
Binili namin to guys. Binili na namin to guys. So, babalikan namin siya next weekend. So, ayan. Rainy days. Bahay na kami guys. Seryoso kayong nawong oh. Hi, babe.
Hi, babe.
You're so serious.
We're home now, babe.
Yep.
How do you know?
Because we're here. Chill. We're so far away from each other, guys. This is raining. But we're here in Harry's car. And I drive today, guys.
You're doing a good job, babe.
Thank you,
In the
Mama.
rain, it was fairly busy,
Yeah. And now we're
but you
going
did
to
it.
Harry's car. Happy Sunday! Look at the wind. Wind. Bye. Let's go, my love.
Bye, babe.
Tayo ng mga and Disney Craig, guys. What's your law?
Tell people, babe.
It's okay.
Is it?
Yeah, that sucks, babe. That's not Andy.
No. But you could still use them.
So, hi guys! Pauwi na kami. Pumunta kami sa Harry's Scarf. Bumili kami ng mga toner and bed cover. And pumunta din kami sa Asian supermarket. And now, we're going back home. My bed is so guapo, right? So yun guys, Craig yung mag-drive pabalik. And it's there's sun and there's a rain. Sun with the rain. Hi guys, bahay na kami. Pakita ko sa inyo yung mga nabili namin guys. Pumunta kaming Asian supermarket and sa Harry's Scarf. So ito yung nabili namin sa Harry's Scarf. Oh, the house key. So, bumili ulit kami ng bedsheet and fitted sheet and also pillows na. So, maganda. Naka-sale ito. So, white color siya, guys. And then, bag. Sako, lagyan ng... Then, ito, guys. Bumili din kami ng... What do you call this? Yeah, coverlet. Hindi siya doner, it's just coverlet. So, ang ganda ng color. I love it. Then, bumili kami ng fruits na ano siya, a blender. Para gawa kami ng smoothie. Kasi nasira yung nabili namin dati. Nag-ano siya. Nagtatagas siya. So, para yan. Juice. Kasi sobrang laki ng juicer ko. So, gusto kong gumawa ng, ano, parang bruha yung itsura ko, guys. Parang bruha talaga. But anyway, bahala na kayo dyan. Okay lang yan. Then, pumunta kami Asian supermarket. Bumili pala si Craig ng kanyang, ano, brief. Ba't ang dilim? Bahala na nga. So, ito yung nabili ko sa Asian supermarket. Bumili ako nito. Parang pancake siya, pero may palaman siya sa loob. Yan, red beans. Then, nakabili ako ng pandesal. And then, fudgy bar. Musta naman ang diet dyan, guys. Bumili din si Craig ng socks pala. And then, bumili ako ng movie. Yan. Puro snack. And then, ito, bread pan. Maganda yung, masarap yung green ito, pero wala silang green. Then, ding dong. Ding dong. Then, itong buttered toast. Masarap, diba to? Yung parang ano siya. Basta, buttered toast. Masarap yan sa kape. Malab, do you want kape, malab? Then, bumili din kami ng bihon. Oh, yeah, I got the rice, babe. Babe.
That's okay.
Did you get the brown one? Oh, it's just okay. So, bumili ako ng maliit na rice. Kasi nga yung binili naming rice last time is brown rice. Pang diet. Then, kasi magsuspaghetti ako tonight, guys. So, bumili ako dalawa. Last time, tinry namin yung Italian. So, gustuhan nila. Then, mayroong Filipino style. So, dalawa yung kinuha ko. Then, bumili ako nito. Sa Asian supermarket. So, na-miss ko to. So, iano ko lang yan siya. Hindi ko naman maubos yun lahat. And then, bumili ako ng sinigang. And, dalawa nito. Then, dalawa nito. And, bumili ako tocino. Yum. Ay, hindi pala tocino to. Ano, tawag nito, longganisa. Longganisa. And, hotdog. Para sa ating spaghetti. And, dadagdagan ko lang yung sauce mamaya nitong tomato paste. So, ayun lang guys, yung ano namin sa Asian supermarket. So, look. Ganda ng damit ko, oh. Dandadan. So, ayun lang guys. Puro pagkain. Kain yarn. Ganyan. Yung asawa ko naglilinis na. Hi, my love!
Hello, babe.
So yun guys, binuksan na ni Fred. Manining juicer. Or
Well, it's actually a blender.
Huh?
It's called a blender.
Blender?
Yep.
Yeah. It's very fancy blender.
I don't know, very fancy, babe, but
It's very fancy, my love.
it's called a Ninja.
For me.
A Ninja, which is cool.
For me, I don't care. We can actually have.
Yeah. So
they
you,
have
you just swap lids.
Yeah.
So the idea is you swap lids and then you just drink out of the cup.
Yeah, so we have two. So one for you, one for me. So yun guys, pag mag-juice kami ni Craig or smoothie, and then tanggalin mo lang to. Dalawa na siya. Tanggalin mo lang tong blade. Then palit mo dito yung cover. Tapos pwede ka nang
Oh, we
iinom.
got two covers, do we? Two separate
Yes,
covers?
it's two. See? Look.
Yeah, I didn't know that.
Ooh, fancy. Fancy. I'm gonna wash this. We can start it to make the apple and what is that? We'll keep the box for a while. And let's see if it's gonna be rolled. So pwede ko siya so different kind of smoothie yung gawin mo guys. Oh. My watermelon and orange, and I don't know what's this thing. Honey. Oh, I can make the chia seed. Oh, put honey.
Yeah, I reckon yogurt. You can do yogurt.
Yeah, I can do that.
Chia.
Chia seed. What did I say? Chia.
Fruits.
Yeah, look at this. I love it. So yun na guys.
And it says perfectly crushed ice.
Whoa.
But you must have to put cubes in it and then use it from there. There's a whole book about that.
I know. Yeah.
It's alright.
That's good that there's a recipe.
So it says put your fresh stuff in first, then any leafy stuff, any yogurts or liquids, and then any dry, and then any frozen ones.
I have frozen fruits there.
And that way,
I'll try it. Coffee? You gonna make coffee?
it's a mocha shake.
Wow. That's good that I have ingredients
Ooh,
there.
coconut mango, that sounds alright. With mint.
I love that.
Yeah.
Yun guys, ang dami niyang guys, mga sample na ng mga juice na gagawin mo for smoothie. Kasi pwede siya lagyan ng ice. So it's good. Double blade.
Wow, it's got a special top blade as well. That must be the difference. Because the other one didn't have that.
So what is this then?
That on the bottom.
Hot?
Yep, accessories
What is that?
not to be cleaned with a heated dry cycle. I don't know.
No,
the
I'd rather wash it by my hands.
Oh, really? Okay.
Same with the juicer. I don't mind it.
Okay.
Cool. I'll keep this one because where I'm gonna put that though? Place. Or maybe here. You can put it here up there. So you will use your kape?
I'll use mine, yeah. Ours.
Why not my coffee cup then? Why not my coffee? What? Huh? Share in the video, love.
Top down on the video. Oh! I thought it was that. Flavor.
Bye guys.